Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on your Android phone. If you have apps that you no longer use, uninstalling them can help free up storage space and keep your phone organized. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and find the app that you want to uninstall. You can look for the app on your home screen or open your app drawer. Once you find the app, press and hold its icon. A small menu will appear. Look for an option called Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall. Your phone may show a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the app. Tap Uninstall again to confirm. The app will now be removed from your phone. If you do not see the uninstall option when you press and hold the app, don't worry. There is another way to uninstall it. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Look for Apps, App Management, or Applications. Tap on it to see a list of apps installed on your device. Find the app that you want to remove and tap on it. You will see information about the app, including its storage, permissions, and other settings. Look for the Uninstall button and tap on it. Confirm the action by tapping Uninstall again. The app and its installed files will then be removed from your phone. Keep in mind that some apps that come pre-installed on your Android phone may not have an uninstall option. These are usually system or manufacturer apps that are required by the phone. In some cases, you may see an option called Disable instead. Disabling an app can prevent it from running or appearing normally on your phone, but it does not completely remove the app. Before uninstalling an app, make sure you do not need any important information stored inside it. Some apps may store data locally on your phone, so check the app first if there is anything you want to keep. You can always download many apps again later from the Google Play Store if you change your mind. And that's it. You now know how to uninstall apps on your Android phone and free up some storage space. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.